کہ پاکستان ایئر فورس نے ان طیاروں کو اس وقت گرایا جب انہوں نے پاکستان کے اوپر حملہ کیا. After they have released their weapons, only after that they were engaged and shot at. Once they have taken on the unprovoked, uncalled for aggression against the state, the territorial integrity and the innocent people of Pakistan by firing at them through stand-off weapons, only after that Pakistan Air Force and these armed forces engaged them and took them down. It should also be noted that the Pakistan armed forces could have shot even more than 10 of their aircraft, but we exercised restraint, and at no time any of their aircraft was allowed to enter into Pakistan's airspace, and also at no time none of Pakistan aircraft went into Indian airspace.